Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will solve the following differential equation: 2 dy dx plus y by x is equal to y square by x square. Note that this is a Bernoullis differential equation because here we have this extra term y square. So how to solve Bernoullis differential equation? So we will divide both sides by this extra term y square. So by dividing by y square, we get 2 y to the power minus 2 dy dx is equal to y inverse by x is equal to 1 by x square. Now we will make a substitution, which is y inverse is equal to v. So again by differentiating, we get minus y to the minus 2 dy dx is equal to dv dx. So y to the minus 2 dy dx is equal to minus dv dx. So by substituting these values, we get minus 2 dv dx plus v by x is equal to 1 by x square. So by simplifying, we get dv dx minus v by 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2x square. So note that we get a first order linear ODE of the form dv dx plus pxv is equal to qx. I have already made a video on how to solve first order linear differential equation. I will place the link in the description box. You can see from there. Okay, so now this kind of equation we will solve by finding integrating factor. So the formula of integrating factor will be e power integration px dx. Now here what is px? Is nothing but e power minus 1 by 2x. So it is e power minus half into 1 by x dx, which is nothing but ln x, e power minus half ln x. And by simplifying, it is e power ln x power minus half, which is nothing but simply x power minus half. So by multiplying by integrating factor to the both side of the equation 1, we get ddx of vx to the minus half is equal to minus 1 by 2x square into x to the minus half, which is minus half into x to the minus 5 by 2. Okay, so vx to the minus half is equal to minus half integral x to the minus 5 by 2 dx, which is minus half into x to the minus 3 by 2 by minus 3 by 2 plus c. By simplifying, we get 1 by 3 x to the minus 3 by 2 plus c. So what is v? V is nothing but x to the plus half into 1 by 3 x to the minus 3 by 2 plus c, which is 1 by 3 x inverse plus c x half. And what is v? Here v is y inverse. So we have solution y inverse is equal to 1 by 3 x inverse plus c x to the power half. So this is the required answer.